This animal lives in a challenging location, the high Rocky Mountains. They can withstand temperatures of up to -40 degrees. The snow leopard is one of the world's 5 big cat species and is related to the lion, tiger, jaguar, and leopard. However, the snow leopard is the smallest of the 4. However, despite its small size, it is a deadly hunter. They usually hunt alone, using their unique coat color to camouflage and monitor prey from high above. With lightning leaps and strikes from 9 meters away, they hunt with impressive skill and leg strength. So far, there have been no reports of snow leopards attacking humans. They prefer to stay away and disappear when threatened. Ironically, they are the most hunted animal for their skin.